Okay, so now I'm going to compare the enagic and the melody at level 3. And that'll conclude the drinking level. And then after that, I'm going to just go to the extremes and see what we get there. But so far, I'll tell you, they're very close. I almost want to say the melody's better, but I'll just say that they're, yeah, I'll basically say the melody's better. Really, I mean, it is better. And it's definitely less expensive. You buy 3 melodies basically for the price of one of these SD501s. So that's crazy. Alright, so I'm going to start out just doing pH. And, hold on. Alright, so melody is like around 10.8 pH or 10.9 pH. Somewhere between 10.8 and 10.9. And the enagic is definitely stronger. At each level it's coming in too strong in my opinion for that level. But there is a way to lower the pH at each level, and that is to speed up the water flow. But then of course your ORP will lower. So this is 11.5 at level 3. Of course they're saying Kangen water 9.5, but that is not obviously what's coming out of the ionizer. Alright, so the next thing that I'm going to do is the ORP. And as we saw in the first tests, really the ORP on both ionizers is coming in very high. And amazingly high for both. And this, it looks like it's going to also be high for level 3, of course. So this is probably, it looks like it's going to go right up to -800 here. Still coming in fast. I mean, as long as those numbers are changing fast, I pretty much let it go. Once it starts slowing down, I do not have the patience to wait. But it's still coming in pretty fast. It looks like it's definitely going to go up to -800, but I might call this a little earlier than that, just to save time here. So I'll probably call it at like a -790, just to save a little time. Okay, so -790. Alright, and then let's take a look at the enagic. The enagic really should come in higher ORP because it was like up at 11.5 pH, so I would definitely expect above -800 with that pH from the enagic. Honestly, it looks like it's gonna probably, if I wait long enough, go up over -800, but I truthfully would have expected it to go much faster at that 11.5 pH. So I might have to call this right at the very same -790 as the melody. Wow. So it's actually nothing wrong in any way, shape, or form with these numbers, but I'm going to call it at -790 because it has slowed down. Okay.